Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Canva and start by creating a custom 12x 16-inch canvas set to 300 dpi and RGB color to ensure crisp print quality. Use vector elements or high-resolution images and keep text at least 5 inches wide for legibility on shirts. Arrange artwork within a central safe zone and avoid borders closer than 1/2 inch. Export your design as a PNG with a transparent background at 300 dpi and save a layered copy to edit later. Create mockups in Canva using a 20% opacity overlay to preview shirt placement and spacing. When creating your Etsy listing, price shirts between 8 and 5, factoring in production cost, Etsy's 5% listing fee, and payment processing of about 3% plus /bin/sh. 25 per sale. Begin your title with primary keywords like graphic tee 100% cotton unisex and include size and color terms for search relevance. Write a concise description listing materials, print method, and care. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low. Upload 10 images, 3 mockups, 4 close-ups, and 3 lifestyle shots to increase click-through and conversions. Choose a print-on-demand partner that offers 3 to 7 day fulfillment and integrates with Etsy to automate orders and tracking updates. Provide a clear size chart listing, sizes S to XXL with chest widths in inches, and recommend upsizing one size for a relaxed fit. Detail production and shipping timelines. Production 3-7 days plus transit, and align return policies to 30-60 days to reduce disputes. Always comply with intellectual property rules. Avoid trademarked logos, character artwork, or copyrighted text unless you hold rights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.